Hello everybody, today we are going to make yogurt the Vietnamese style. So the ingredients are a big spoon, some milk, then we have to put 3/4 of condensed milk, but you can put as much as condensed milk as you like. Now, this is our last time's yogurt we made, so let's start pouring the milk in. That's probably enough. Okay, now we have to pour condensed milk in. It's up to you. You can put as much as condensed milk as you like. Next step. What's the next step again? The next step is to put the existing yogurt in. Alright, now we have to mix it. Your big ginormous spoon. Come on, mix it. Oh, let's try to get condensed milk. Look at the condensed milk. I love condensed. Do not show your bum right. I'm going to put, I'm going to eat this. I can definitely eat this here. Yes, I saw it again. Yes. Now we need to pour it into the glass.
Very carefully, or if it's go everywhere, your parents are gonna get really mad because they're gonna have to clean up your mess, and you don't want that, do you?
Can we fill the cup now? There. Now we're all done. And we have to eat it. No, now we have to put it in the thermal pot, silly. Be very gentle. Ready. And I'll tell you the next step after we've done this. The milk smells like... It smells like warm milk. What does it smell like? It smells like... Oh, it smells like balls. It smells so delicious. So this this is very hot. So you have to ask an adult to help you. And remember, don't put it, try not put it in the yogurt. Now we have to close it. All we have to do now is go to sleep, and the next morning we will have yogurt. I can't wait to eat the yogurt because it is so delicious. I'll see what you think.
Guys, it's morning time, I just wake up, and then I was about to go and brush my teeth, and I just suddenly remember that I have yogurt. So, I already taken the rocks and the full cup. No, actually it's 5. And they already set. So we now can put them in the fridge to let them cool down, and then we can eat them and enjoy them in our morning tea. That was just so excited to see how it's gonna turn out because the last times it was so good. Well, that's enough for this episode about yogurt. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.